Hello everyone, I hope you all are good and Happy New Year all of you. Children, we have finished up to chapter 14, right? Now going to start chapter 15, that is linear inequations. Okay. Now first of all understand equation. What is equation, children? Statement which says that one thing is equal to another. X equal to 5. 2x minus 5 equal to 10, etc. Many examples you can take. 3x plus 5 equal to 2. Like that we can make many such expressions. Now what is inequation? A statement which says that one thing is not equal to another. Here is equation means one thing equal to another, but in equation statement says that one thing is not equal to another, means it will be less than or greater than x less than 5, x less than 7, x greater than 5, like that. Okay. Now what is connecting verb, children? Connecting verb is the symbol greater than, less than, not equal to sign. This is not equal to sign. Okay. Equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than, less than and equal to, greater than and equal to. These are the connecting verbs. These are the symbols. Okay. Symbols of connecting verb. What is less than and equal to, children? Less than equal to means if I will ask x less than and equal to 5. X less than and equal to 5, then what you will take? Less than 5 you take the numbers. Suppose less than 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Up to 4? No. Here is written equal sign also. Less than and equal to. Then you have to include 5 also. Understood, children? What is less than and equal to? Like that same greater than and equal to. Suppose x greater than equal to 6. So greater than equal to 6 means greater than 6 you can take 7, 8, 9. Okay, but you have to include 6 also, because equal sign means you have to include the number also, same number. Clear? This is less than equal to including 5. Okay, and if you will take greater than equal to 5, then you will have to include 5 also. Clear? Now what is linear inequations? If suppose a and b are real numbers, but make sure a not equal to 0, children. A not equal to 0. If you will put here 0, suppose that this number will become 0 and b greater than 0 only left. So equation will not fulfill. So that is why a never equal to 0. So this statement is called linear inequations. Ax plus b greater than 0, ax plus b less than 0, ax plus b greater than equal to 0, ax plus b less than equal to 0. These are the linear inequations statements. Clear? Now second is replacement of set and solution set. What is replacement of set, children? Here is suppose giving any replacement set I am taking. Replacement set, suppose 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, what is replacement? First of all understand, replacement is also known as universal set. Okay, universal set means all the numbers present in this set. Whatever the number is given, all the numbers present in this set, that is the universal set. Or you can say in a linear inequation, the set from which the values of variable x is chosen, that is replacement set. The values of variable x is chosen, means in universal set the values of variable x chosen 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So this is the universal set, children. Now you have to find solution set. If the question asking here, statement asking x greater than 0, suppose. So x greater than 0. X greater than 0 means x greater than 6 means you have to take a greater than 6 means 8 and 10. So solution set would be 8 and 10. Okay children, so this is the solution set, means the set of elements of the replacement set, or you can say universal set, which satisfy the given equation is called the solution set or the called truth set. Means 8 or 10 is present in this replacement set or universal set. So this is the solution set. If it's asking here in a replacement set given, suppose you can say, see this table, it will be more clear to you. N set of natural numbers, replacement set is given n set of natural numbers, and equations given x less than 4. So what is solution set children? It is natural number and less than 4. So less than 4 you can take 1, 2, 3. If it is written here less than equal to, then you have to include 4 also. But here not written less than equal to, only less than 4. So 1, 2, 3, this would be your solution set. I hope it is clear to you. This is easy children. Okay. Now one example, some properties. First of all you understand here properties. First, adding the same number to each side of an inequation does not change the sign of inequality. Suppose you have, this is the statement 8 greater than 5. Okay. You have to add both side 13 plus 13 plus. If you are adding each side of an equation, so the sign will be same. It will not change the inequality sign. This is inequality sign children. Greater than will remain greater than. If you will add both sides with the same integer, it will never change the inequality sign. Here also if you will negative both side, if you will add negative both side, if you will add negative, after that it will not change the inequality sign, right? Now second is subtracting the same number from each side of an equation does not change the sign of inequality. If you will subtract both sides with the same number, then also it will not change the inequality sign. Clear children? See here 13 greater than 8. You will subtract minus 5 here also, here also. Both side if you will subtract with the same sign, it will never change the inequality sign. Clear? Multiply each side of an equation by a positive number also does not change the sign of inequality. Just see here 12 greater than 7. You will multiply both sides 6, here also, it will never change the inequality sign. It will remain same. Okay. But when you will multiply each side of an equation by a negative number, then it will reverse the inequality sign. Just see here 15 greater than 9. If you will multiply here with the negative number minus 4, you will multiply both side with the negative number children, it will reverse the sign. Just see here, it is greater than, it will change the sign less than. Clear? It will change the sign less than. So inequality sign would be changed. So this point you remember. Fifth number, dividing each side of an equation by a positive number. If you will divide with the positive number, doesn't change the sign of inequality. Okay, it will remain the same sign, greater than. If you will divide by a positive number both side. But this also, this point and 4 and 6 point remember. When you will divide with the negative number both side with the negative number 9 minus 9 here also, minus 9 here also, with the negative number you have to divide, then it will change the inequality sign. Greater than will become less than. Automatically it will change the sign. These 2 points needs to remember. Other is easy to you and you can solve 15A easy questions. Any doubt, ask later. Okay, like that you can solve and you can draw number line. How you will draw? Just see here, these points you read once, important. I am going to here solving one example. It will more clear to you. Just see here, the question is 30 minus 4 whole 2x minus 1 less than 30, where x is a positive integer. You have to find a solution set children and draw the number line also. Okay, solution set how you will find? First of all solve as it is. 4 2 ja 8, minus plus, 4 1 ja 4, sign same sign, it will go up to here same sign. Now see here is minus 8x, here is minus 4 children. So you have to need both side, you have to need to divide both side by minus 8. minus 8 here also, minus 8 here also, so that it will minus minus it will cancel out, minus minus it will cancel out. So that is why we have to take negative integer both side, because here is in question written where x is a positive integer. So we have to make a x positive, we have to take a negative number both side. So I have divided minus 8 both side. Clear? Minus 8 here also, minus 8 here. So it will change the sign. Clear? It will cut. This will divide. 4 2 ja 8, minus minus cancel out, 1 by 2. So x value is greater than 1 by 2. Here is less than, but it will change the sign. Divide by a negative integer, reverse the sign of inequality. Okay. So that points, remember that point. Now you draw in number line. How you will draw in number line? Take a line. I haven't taken by a scale, children. You must use a scale. Straight, it should be a straight line. Okay. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot dot dot, it will go to up to infinity. No need to mention here up to infinity, not possible. Up to 6 here I have taken. So here is x greater than 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 means 0.5. So you have to take a greater than 1 by 2. So 1 2 3 4. So with the dark spot you mention like this, 1 2 3 4 5, like that. Okay. So in this manner you can draw a number line. Easy, children? I hope it will be easy to you. You complete 15A and 15B. Is there any doubt? You can ask. Okay.